Ang ginamit ho na salita dito sa supplemental affidavit ay personally disposed. No?
Opo, Madam Chair.
I quote, personally disposed. Ano ho ang pagkakaiba nito doon sa reportedly utilized? Doon sa 11 days versus doon sa sinabi nyo dito na personally disposed the money in less than 24 hours?
Yung utilize po kasi sa pagkakaintindi ko, meron din akong kinalaman personal. Ang dispose po, hindi ko po inutilize, I just delivered it. Ang dispose po, hindi ko po inutilize, I just delivered. Ang dispose po, hindi ko po inutilize, ang dispose po, hindi ko po inutilize, I just delivered it.
At sinabi nyo, Colonel Nolasco told me that each bag contained around 30 million pesos to 35 million pesos. Apat na bag, 30 to 35 million pesos.
Opo.
Okay. Later, sinabi nyo sa dulo ng section na ito, a few years later, I read from several media reports that the 125 million pesos OVP confidential funds in 2022 were reportedly utilized in just 11 days. This is wrong because I personally disposed the money in less than 24 hours. No? Bakit po nyo nasabi yun na 125 days? Let me just confirm. Dahil po ba na yung apat na bag, kapag in addition natin, 30 million to 35 million, pwedeng mag-total ng 125 million. Tama po ba?
Tama po.
Kaya sinabi nyo sa dulo na mukhang ito yung 125 million.
Opo,
Tama
Your
po
Honor.
ba?
Tama po, Your Honor.
Okay.
Flashback.
Sinabi niya ho na mali ang naiulat ng paggamit sa loob ng 11 araw ng 125 million pesos na OVP confidential funds noong 2022. Tama ho ba ito?
Tama po, Madam Chair.
Ang ginamit ho na salita dito sa supplemental affidavit ay personally disposed. No?
Opo, Madam Chair.
I quote, personally disposed. Ano ho ang pagkakaiba nito doon sa reportedly utilized? Doon sa 11 days versus doon sa sinabi nyo dito na personally disposed the money in less than 24 hours?
Yung utilize po kasi sa pagkakaintindi ko, meron din akong kinalaman personal. Ang dispose po, hindi ko po inutilize, I just delivered it. Ang dispose po, hindi ko po inutilize, I just delivered. Ang dispose po, hindi ko po inutilize, ang dispose po, hindi ko po inutilize, I just delivered it. Somebody disposed it. Or somebody, other than me, I dispose it to them. Sila na po yung nag-utilize, sila na yung gumamit. Labas na po ako sa pag-utilize nun.
Makababayan, bago tayo tumuloy. Tandaan pag sa hearing. Maliit na details ay importante. Kung apat yung bag, ang tanong sino ang nag-deliver? Ang sabi ni Madriaga, tandaan nyo, I personally just deliver it. Yung apat na bag tumutotal na 125 million.
As we parked by Toyota FJ Cruiser near the main entrance of DepEd, Colonel Nolasco appeared from the main entrance and approached our vehicle. I alighted to the vehicle to meet Colonel Nolasco and we talked while we waited for the arrival of Colonel Lachica. He mentioned that they will also provide a red Mazda sedan, which will be used to deliver the money to the office of the Ombudsman. At around past 3 or 4 p.m.,
A few moments later.
the 4 bags were brought to where Colonel Nolasco and I were standing, which was near my blue Toyota FJ. Afterwards, I signaled Arman and Richard to load the same to our vehicles. The two large dark bags were placed in the Toyota Grandia, and one large dark bag and one lighter colored bag were placed in my blue FJ Cruiser. The bags loaded to the Toyota Grandia were to be delivered separately to San Pablo, Laguna, and Nomu, Bashu, Tomas Morato, Quezon City on the same day. The remaining bags, initially loaded to my blue FJ Cruiser, were immediately transferred to the red Mazda sedan prior to our departure from the DepEd compound and were to be delivered to the Ombudsman parking lot.
A few moments later.
At around 8 a.m. the same day, the team met in my residence at Cainta Rizal before we traveled to the last location, OMB parking area. This time, however, we only used my blue Toyota FJ Cruiser and the red Mazda sedan, where the remaining two bags were previously placed. We left my residence at around 8:30 a.m. Richard was driving my blue Toyota FJ Cruiser, while Arman and another person, Noel, and he brought along were aboard the red Mazda sedan. '71. When we arrived, the guard gave a signal directing us to park in a specific area in the Ombudsman parking lot. We proceeded to the specific area and parked red Mazda sedan where the remaining two bags of money were placed. We left the keys on top of the left front of the wheel.
Madriaga ang sabi mo. I personally delivered it. Nagsisinungaling ka na ata dito. Group effort yan. Makababayan. Una, hindi lang siya mag-isa ang nag-deliver. Group effort po sila. Pangalawa, sino ang nag-drive ng red Mazda? Ikatlo, pina-annex mo pa yung sasakyan mo, hindi naman siya relevant. Makababayan, pilit ayusin ang nasirang script. Yung dispose ang tunay na ibig sabihin ay delivery. Kaso kung delivery yan, di po pwedeng sabihin, I personally deliver it. Kasi hindi ikaw yung nag-drive nag-red Mazda. Marami po kayo. Hindi pag-aari ni Madriaga yun red Mazda. Hindi sa kotse mo inilagay ang bag. Hindi ikaw ang nag-drive ng red Mazda. Iniwan lang yung sasakyan. Paano mo nasabi ikaw ang nag-deliver? Kahit sino pwedeng isaksak yung karakter sa istorya na yan. Sa hearing po mahalaga ang mga detalye. Ipikit nyo yung mga mata ninyo, pakinggan nyo mabuti pa ulit-ulit. Kahit wala siya dyan sa istorya, mangyayari pa rin ang delivery. Hindi po pwede ganyang ang affidavit. Ako ay nagtatanong lamang. Abot ka dito sa huling bahagi ng aking video. Maraming salamat po. Ako po ay isang napakaliit na channel lamang at walang nakukuhang income sa YouTube na gustong isiwalat at tanungin ang mga bagay-bagay at ganap na nangyayari sa ating bansa na ayaw o iniiwasan ng mainstream media. Ang munting hingi ko lang sa inyo ay suporta, subscribe, like at share lang po ay malaking tulong sa akin.
Fight for what we believe in, undeterred by the fear of failing or losing. Indeed, courage knows no limits. Cowardice does.